Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be discussing the top 4 business headlines of the day. Number 1, China has proposed a law making it mandatory for companies to conduct a cybersecurity review if they want to list in foreign countries. The move will significantly increase scrutiny over Chinese internet giants, reported by Bloomberg. The law would require companies with over 1 million users to apply for cybersecurity approval before going for IPOs in other countries. The process will include review of potential security risk from overseas listing. The Cyberspace Administration of China said on 10th July. Reason given was because risk to data and personal information could be affected, controlled and exploited by foreign governments. Sports tech company Dream Sports is planning to hire more than 200 people over the next 12 months across various roles, including product strategy, analytics, and data science, in line with the rapid growth being clocked across its business verticals. Founded in the year 2008 by Harish Jain and Bhavit Sheeth, Dream Sports is backed by investors including Tiger Global, TPG Tech, Chris Capital, TCV, Kalari Capital, and Steadview Capital Management, among others. Dream Sports operates various businesses like Dream 11, FanCode, Dream Setgo, and DreamPay. Nepal has signed a USD 1.3 billion deal with India's hydropower major Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam to develop a 679 megawatt hydropower project in eastern Nepal, the second mega venture undertaken by India in the neighboring Himalayan nation. The single largest foreign investment project, based on the 2017 cost estimates, is located between the Shankuwa Samba and Bhojpur districts in eastern Nepal, according to a press release issued by the Investment Board Nepal. The 679 megawatt Lower Arun hydropower project is the second mega project undertaken by India after the USD 1.04 billion 900 MW Arjun 3 hydroelectric project. Despite the second wave of COVID-19, there is a growth in job posting across sectors according to the Monster Employment Index. The job analysis report by Monster.com indicates that compared to May 2021, June 2021 witnessed a notable overall monthly growth of 4%. Overall job postings have also improved by 7% year on year, indicating an optimistic outlook for the coming months. There was a strong growth in hiring activities in metropolitan cities such as Bangalore by 50%, Pune by 28%, Hyderabad 22%, and China 22% on a year-on-year basis in June 2021.